Hello guys, welcome back to our channel CMA Aspirant Tips and Vlogs. If you are visiting to our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for getting more important updates. Right, coming to the point, in this video I am going to discuss about the step-by-step procedure for changing elective paper for CMA Final students. In order to change your elective paper, first you need to go to the official website of the institute. Once official website of the institute open, on top of the website you can find student section. Go through the student section. After opening student section, here on the top we can find student login. You need to log in by using your student login credentials. Once you logged in, on dashboard you can find your registration number, application number and date of registration and some basic details. At last we can find options drop down menu. We can go through the options drop down menu. Here we can find various options relating to view status, change chapter office address, change registered address and change elective paper. Go through the change the elective paper. Here I opted to change my elective paper from paper 20A to 20B and I submitted my application. Once you submitted your application, you receive official mail from the institute that you submitted application for changing your elective paper from so and so to so and so paper. After submitting application, you need to pay the prescribed fees, that is ₹1000 rupees. Your application is submitted successfully only after payment of prescribed fees. Hope this information helpful to you guys. Please subscribe to our channel CMA Aspirant Tips and Vlogs for more helpful content.